Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm Alan and this is Stationeers. Let's see. Okay, yep, I'm recording. Cool, cool. Power's doing okay because I spent a little bit of time over in the powerhouse. I made a couple changes to the code. Um, Basically, I had a filling stage and then a generating stage. Um, I changed it so that it fills, and once it hits 1 MPa, then it begins generating, and then it generates until it hits 2 MPa, then it goes into the draining stage. So the generating stage, the combined generating filling stage runs a little bit longer. I put in a whatchamacallit, a turbo pump. Ooh, it's not doing great on water though, and that's just me drinking it. This has been full for a while, and this is disconnected. Yeah, these guys have only drank like 6/10 of a liter. No, I think it might have gotten over 13 actually, so maybe a liter. So maybe power is not really the problem. I've been futzing with the garden. We've got some wheat growing, some pumpkins nearly ready to pick, some more ferns, which I could probably take those out now. I overestimated how many ferns I needed for uh, making milk. Like that sounds weird. Actually, what I wanted to do was check. Okay, air's good, battery's good. Some of them error messages are misleading. Because I've seen that before, but it's just that my my maximum hydration level was down because, yeah, plus 25% hydration. Darn it, I must have had some fries.
Oxygen critical.
Nope. I was gathering up some resources because I've been doing a bit of work out here. Hurry up. I've been trying to get this room plumbed up. We'll come back to that, actually. Just throw this stuff on the floor where it belongs. Because we have a bit of a... somebody's been pooping all over the floor. Is it just me or do they have different color? I don't think they do. Okay, they stacked to 10. I did not know that. So in preparation for this, where did it go? Printed off one of these. Yeah, we want the cable on that side. It'll be easier. Oh, that's okay. I've definitely placed stackers. That's just the first one, I guess, since the new new achievements. Well, I guess it doesn't matter because it'll only go to 10. Okay, there we go. I still have poo on the floor. I threw a bunch of biomass in here. Yeah, 589. So this guy's running. I was thinking I would try to degas that in a furnace. Oh, that's why we're not getting any water. Duh. I'm using all of it over here, and I'm barely getting any added to. Okay, got it. I wanted to do some smelting, but I was trying to make a little gas enclosure, but it doesn't matter because it still just radiates so much heat. So I'll have to do something better here. This gas still goes into the thing here, but now I've got a regulator here. I named it combustor regulator, which is the same, of course, as the fuel regulators for the combustors. Oh, that's another thing. There are two combustors. So the script uses set batch to turn both of them on. I was hoping that would speed it up. It may, but probably not a lot. It's fine. But so when it's in the combusting cycle, if there's hot gas in here, it'll get pushed over into there. Which also might be why I'm getting a little less water, because some of the water isn't water. Or some of the hot gas isn't water. I raised the pressure in here a little bit more. Yeah, in fact, let's... Oh, well, never mind. Because more gas, more... Oh. That shouldn't be on. More gas, more volume, more time stuff. I was going to show you the code here, and I finally remembered to name this so I can... No, I want to import first. Make sure we have the latest. Oh, another change I made. I just made it so that it just monitors the room temp always. Whether it's generating or not, it'll go down to 10 Celsius. Just trying to keep the cycle time low. So here, I don't think any of this changed. I still technically have a filling and generating mode, but what happens is this one also now modifies the combustor mode. If the pressure is greater than the pipe pressure, it'll turn it off. It'll turn on the regulators. It'll turn the engine on if the pressure is over 1 MPa. And then so we go to a subroutine that manages the engine, which just loads, is it currently on? Actually, this is the room. Yeah, this is the room temp bit. So it'll go up to the high temperature and then turn off until it gets to the low temperature. Turn the engine on by anding the already set engine on with the one it just calculated, this R0. So it's like we're passing engine on into a function, basically. We're setting it to some value and then anding it with, this one based on the temperature. And then we return. And then we set the next mode based on whether the combustor is currently on or not. And then when we flip over to generating, I'm not explaining this well. Maybe, hopefully you can figure it out. If the temperature is over the min temperature, set engine on to on. Select the mode based on whether the engine is currently on. Jump to engine and then loop back around. So as soon as we turn the engine off, we go on to the next stage. As soon as we turn the combustor off, we go to the next stage. Basically is what's happening in both of these. Sorry, shitty explanation. But yeah, that's basically what it was. And then, like I said, this has got a turbo pump now. And you heard it. It worked pretty well. I also set the lower limit on this to 100 kPa. It was 50. So this will only go down to 100 kPa. Because I'm trying to improve the cycle time. I think what I might do, since I am a bit low on water, is go turn off the poop machine. Oh, I totally didn't even make the joke. Dumbass. I was going to say, it's our poop chute. Oh, I guess I can't turn this off at the moment. Hang on, I'm going to wait it out because I want to do this and not forget. All right, that only took 30 seconds or something. Oh, that's all I need to do is open the door. But it's kind of curious. Yeah, there's no water in there. We used it all up. Jerk. But yeah, we're pretty good for whatchamacallit, fertilizer at the moment. See? Yeah, we even ended up with 2 here. So yeah, so what I started doing up here, I thought I hit the jetpack. I hit my head, but not the jetpack. So I ran a row of vents down the ceiling, connected it to the inside of this airlock and the outside of this airlock. And then I brought it over to, oh, that's what I needed the pipes for, is I need to finish hooking up this air conditioner. So this air conditioner is going to control this whole system in here. I'm going to put a chip in it and use it to control these valves to input. Hey, I did a terrible job painting those. The nitrogen line and the carbon dioxide line. And then these just come from over here, kind of ugly with pipes floating all over. But whatever. Nope. Need to go down here. I don't know if I have enough gas to really fill this or not. Especially seeing as I want to have a higher percentage of nitrogen than carbon dioxide. We'll see. But in the meantime, I'm gonna finish hooking up this AC. Probably do some trading. I still haven't gone back to messing with the medium dish. I don't know. We'll get there eventually. I do kind of want to get a better way to run this cable out here. Don't love it, but I like this platform, and I do like the green cable across the top. with sensors here, and I don't really need it but for symmetry, I might add 2 more on this side because I don't know, look kind of cool. Anyway, yeah, I'll bring you back in a bit. Okay, so I've been doing a bit of work. I sealed up the holes in the room. I set up this airlock finally. Excuse me. And I started writing a bit of code. Um, just a bunch of defines for things that I'm going to want, like the room pressure and temperature, the desired O2 pressure, CO2 ratio. Actually, this should be, we want these in 0 to 1, the hash for a gas sensor, CO2 pump, N2 pump, some variables, room pressure, temp, pressure O2 ratio, CO2 ratio N2, and pressure OK to just, we're going to need to know, like, is the pressure okay a few times? So rather than keep recalculating it, I'll just store it here. So we'll just load all these things from the gas sensor using, pressure average, temperature average. Um, oh, I did that twice. I thought I had calculated it. Let's, sorry, I had a bunch of, so these are all L's, LB, whatever. Okay, sorry, just putting all the calculations down here. So we have a bunch of loads, load the pressure, temperature, the pressure O2. This is the one I'm overloading. Because I'm using it for 2 things right here. So I'm going to read the ratio into pressure O2. And then down here, I'm going to actually turn it into a pressure instead of the ratio that it is. But I wanted to group all the loads here and then all the calculates here. So pressure O2 ratio CO2 ratio N2, multiply the pressure O2 times the pressure O2. Sorry, multiply the pressure O2 and store it in, store into pressure O2 times room pressure. That was annoying. Set less than or equal to pressure OK if room pressure is less than the defined room pressure. SGTZ, so set greater than 0, R0 if the room pressure is greater than 0. And then we'll AND those two together so that we have a true pressure OK that indicates that it's above 0 and less than the desired one. And then just do the manage the AC. So if room temp is less than room temp, set R0, and that together with pressure OK, and store that to the mode on the AC. So at the moment, there's no pressure in the room, which means the pressure should definitely not be okay. So yeah, we're idle. So let's do a leak check. Cool, so the pressure is greater than 0 and less than so we have 85 PA pascals, 25.9. Why is it? Oh, I have it backwards. S. If the temperature is over, we want it to cool. We don't want it to try to warm the room. Yeah, there we go. Doesn't look like we're losing pressure. So it looks like I didn't miss any leaks. So the way I expect this, well, actually, I guess I have to hook up my pumps still. How am I going to run the cable to those? Yuck. Down and around it? Nope, because this one's in the way. I still have to cable these guys up. And I expect the way this should work is if the ratio of nitrogen is wrong, it should turn on this guy. The ratio of CO2 is wrong, it should turn on this guy. And until the room pressure is over 101, it should try to keep those on. Oh, I also need to set those. Well, I need to hook them up first, but yeah. How am I going to cable those? I need to get them over to here. I mean, I don't really want... Yuck. That needs to go on the main, which means I need to bring the main across. Doesn't really help me. Yeah. Anyway, so I think it should... It should just turn these on and keep them on. It's not great. I mean, I'm going to set them to like 1 liter, so who cares? Yeah, let me sort out how to get this cabled up and bring you back. Okay, I think I have a way to rearrange those cables, but I thought I'd call in a trader. And I set up my vending machine. This really does have a stacker built into it, huh? What's up, dude? Oh, this is the guy with the, okay. Spray cans, Hemdroid, no. Hand sanitizer. I don't think you can make that. Maybe I should buy. Yeah, let's have one. Ship repair package. I do not have one of those prepared. Caution. Shh. Suit lady, that was so loud. But they're expensive. Maybe I should make a couple ship repair packages. You don't have anywhere to be, do you? Doesn't seem like it. So, wait there. That is the downside, is I have to go through 2 airlocks to get in now. Oh, I should have taken a snapshot of the ship repair package. A screenshot, because I forget what's in it. Anyway, yeah, I'll get a couple of those made up and take care of my stink lines and get back. Oh, did I show you? So we're a sugar plantation and a cocoa. Yeah, I kind of thought the cocoa wanted it hotter. Oh well. Sorry, dudes. Yeah, so I'll bring it back in a bit. Okay, so this is the problem with ship repair packages. Takes a lot of crap. Actually, well, I guess I don't need these, but you know, I've got to fill up some canisters. Fortunately, I think. Actually, do I have room in my inventory? Let's no, let's put these down nicely. Show some pride in our work. Besides, the robot's watching. What's he gonna think if I just start throwing these around? That they're inferior quality ship repair packages? Nice. Still need a little bit more room. Let's you and yeah, I want to hang on to that. And there's one more over there. Come on. So what I'm going to do, I've got a fuel filler here. Actually, before I just assume that that's correct still, let's I don't care about the world. I want to know about this pipe. What? I've been burning crappy gas for this whole time. Why didn't anybody tell me? Which side is which? I always forget. Output, input, input 2. That still doesn't really help. So we want 33% input 1. Right? Straight through, yeah. Actually. Oh, man. That means all of this fuel is wrong. So annoying. Alright, I have an idea how to straighten this out. You stay there. You go there. And I need a wrench. should be enough. And then you guys go there. Just, wherever. And while I'm at it, you saw nothing. Look, the game lets us do it, so who am I to blame? Blame who? Why wouldn't I use it? I don't know. Oh, wait, I missed one here. I should, uh, like that, I think. Okay, you're empty. Oh, no. Oh, I think I missed one anyway. Up, over. Okay, and then that should not be connected. Okay. Okay. Let me look, how precisely... Can you see that? No, it's recording the game only. Okay, 32 and 65%. Oh, that might have been, that might have been my hackery. Well, and I don't remember if I had this named special. Okay, that should be plenty. Wait. It's gonna be bad gas in there. We're gonna lose a little bit. Okay. Now we need 100 moles. So that's clearly going to be more than our 50 kPa here. I usually do this like on the ground with a volume pump, but thought I'd try it this way. I'll experiment with this. Hang on. Okay, I overshot it a little on this first one. Looks like about 3.9. Hang on. Yeah. 3.9 is good enough for government work. Apparently I've used up all the gas that was over here. I was, yeah, trying to figure out how I wanted to improve that, but I guess I don't need to. I thought there was more in that, more volume in there. Well, that's convenient because I was trying to figure out how I was going to get I guess probably a volume pump here. If I could pump into this network to level it out. Oh shoot, how close is this now? Ah, too soon, dummy. That was dumb. Okay, you're good. Anyway, I'll mess with this stuff, sort it all out. Get some packages ready for this guy. Okay, I realized that could have been really dangerous because this pipe section here was really small, but the sensor is way over here and the control is coming from here, so it could have turned it on and left it on until this exploded. So what I did is put a one-way valve down here after I purged this section again. Yeah, I'm a little irritated by that.
Hydration critical.
Shh. So that this would never, like, when this reached its pressure, it would turn this off, and so this would only ever be a little bit over that pressure. Whatever, it's done. Now let's see if the trader likes any of these. Oh, I laid out my thingies all nicely. Welders. No, I don't want to weld it. What? How? What? Why does it? I can't insert these the way you can other things. All right, so much for keeping the boxes nice. So what I'm going to do, grab 2 of these. Available 2. Okay, so he likes both of these. So that means they met the criteria correctly. And now we're done with you, so you can cheese it. Oh no, that was dumb.
Hunger critical.
No. Stop it, suit lady. I need to bring him back. Oh, he's... No! Alright, well, okay. I was going to have him check them all, basically, to make sure I got all the criteria exactly right, but I sent him away too soon. So I'll keep these over here. Actually, maybe I won't, because I don't want them to freeze. We'll just have to hope for the best. Off, off. Cool. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up here. I should have wrapped up 10 minutes ago recording time. So yeah, if this is interesting to you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.